Are you tired of feeling like you're always the one making the effort in your relationships? You might be missing out on some key behaviors that actually attract her attention. Today, I'm going to reveal the 10 secrets that can flip the script and make her chase you. You might be thinking, is this even possible? And the answer is, absolutely. The truth is, women are naturally attracted to certain qualities and behaviors in men, and if you can master these secrets, you'll be surprised at how quickly the dynamics of your relationships can change. So, if you're ready to stop being the one always making the first move and start being the one in demand, then keep watching. You're about to learn some game-changing secrets that will transform your love life forever. I have to warn you, these secrets might go against everything you've been taught about dating and relationships, but trust me, they work. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do to get the girl of your dreams to chase you. So many guys out there think that being nice and showering a woman with gifts and attention is the way to win her heart. And I used to think that way too, but the truth is it's actually the opposite. Women are attracted to men who are confident, independent, and a little bit mysterious. Many of you guys have been guilty of over-texting or over-calling a girl, hoping she'll eventually start loving and chasing you. Yeah, many have done that, and many more men are still doing it. But the reality is, the more you chase her, the less interested she's going to be. It's time to flip the script and make her do the chasing by following these simple secrets. Come with me. Let's dive into the 10 secrets that will make her chase you like never before. Secret number 1. Have a life outside of her. The more she sees that you're a busy guy with a lot of options, the more she's going to want to be a part of it. So don't be afraid to have hobbies, spend time with friends, and pursue your passions. It's attractive to be a man with a mission. 2. Be confident, but not arrogant. There's a fine line between confidence and arrogance, and women can spot the difference. When you're confident, you exude an energy that's impossible to ignore. But when you're arrogant, you come across as entitled and unattractive. 3. Create a sense of intrigue. Women are naturally curious, so if you can create a sense of mystery around yourself, she'll be dying to figure you out. This means not revealing too much too soon and keeping her guessing. 4. Use body language to your advantage. Your body language says a lot about you, and women are highly attuned to it. How you carry your body as a man speaks volumes to women. Always make sure you're standing up straight, making eye contact, and using open and expansive gestures. 5. Take risks and be spontaneous. Women love a man who's not afraid to take risks and try new things. It shows that you're a man of action and that you're not afraid to step outside your comfort zone. 6. Show genuine interest in her life. When you take an interest in what she's passionate about, you show her that you value and respect her. This creates a deep emotional connection that's impossible to ignore. 7. Set boundaries and respect hers. When you set boundaries, you show her that you're a man of integrity and respect. And when you respect her boundaries, you show her that you value her autonomy. 8. Have a sense of humor. Laughter is the best aphrodisiac, and women love a man who can make her laugh. It breaks the ice, creates a sense of relaxation, and shows that you don't take yourself too seriously. 9. Be patient and let things unfold naturally. When you're patient, you show her that you're not desperate or needy. You're willing to let things develop naturally, and that creates a sense of anticipation and excitement. One of the most surprising things I've learned from these secrets is that women actually prefer to chase men. They want to feel like they've caught something special and that they've earned our attention. So by applying these secrets, you're not only making her chase you, but you're also giving her what she wants on a deep level. In conclusion, making her chase you is not about playing games or manipulating her emotions. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and letting your natural confidence and charisma shine through. When you do that, you'll be amazed at how quickly the women in your life start to take notice. Thank you so much for watching. If you find value in this video, kindly like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content.